Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will show that how to fix live video unavailable problem on YouTube. YouTube has a policy where mobile live streaming is limited for channel with fewer than 1000 subscribers. Those channels can still go live, but the number of viewers who can join the live stream is restricted, or some case live may not be available at all on mobile devices. This is a part of YouTube's effort to manage resource and ensure quality and security on its platform. To solve this problem, you can need to gain 1000 or more subscribers to remove this limitation. You might not be able to view the live stream until the channel grows. You can collect or gain 1000 or more subscribers, then you can solve the live video unavailable problem on it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.